CTM is a precision machining house and fabrication of all different types of machine parts for aerospace, military, and commercial. Unfortunately, we realized we needed to improve our cybersecurity standards after we were attacked by a virus and malware. So at that point, we knew we needed some help, and we sought that out from MVCC and AIM. The staff at MVCC, Paul, would come in, give us an audit, tell us where our shortcomings were, worked with not only us, but also our contract IT person as far as what needed to be done to shore up the system. The process of the remediation is not difficult. It's just time consuming, but you have to keep your eye on the prize and know that the goal that you're seeking is going to make your establishment, your business better. I believe that having the cybersecurity standard in place gives us a leg up with getting through to some of our prospective customers that want to know that we're doing whatever we need to, and then even more to make sure that their data is secure.